The differences between VYM and VOO are noteworthy, particularly in terms of performance. VYM yields a 3.51% return, which is significantly lower than VOO's return of 6.86%. Over the past decade, VYM has underperformed VOO, with an annual return of 9.93% compared to VOO's 12.74%. Consequently, VOO provides investors with higher returns than VYM. Another key consideration is the expense ratio, as expenses and fees can substantially impact overall returns in the long run. Currently, VOO has a lower expense ratio of 0.03%, making it a cheaper option compared to VYM, which has an expense ratio of 0.06%. In terms of volatility, VYM experiences smaller price changes and fluctuations, with a volatility measure of 3.06%, whereas VOO has a volatility of 3.94%. This suggests that VYM is less risky and may be preferred by investors seeking low-risk options. Despite their differences, VYM and VOO share some similarities. Both are passive Vanguard ETFs, aiming to replicate underlying indexes without active management. They have a high correlation of approximately 0.9, indicating a strong positive relationship between their price changes. Additionally, both VYM and VOO have no investment minimum and are suitable for long-term investments. When choosing between VYM and VOO, it is essential to consider individual risk tolerance and investment goals. Both options perform strongly, but their differences are significant, due to its consistently higher returns in both the short and long term, as well as its lower expense ratio. VOO may have an edge over VYM. The information compared is accurate as of the current date, but it is subject to change in the future.